everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Miriam. At ngayon po ay magluluto tayo ng stir-fry hairy melon with fried shrimp and vermicelli. So sa mga hindi pa po nag-subscribe sa akin channel, please click subscribe na at i-hit nyo nyo yung notification bell all para updated kayo lagi sa aking mga susunod na videos. So, let's go! Let's cook with Miriam. We cook simple and easy Chinese and Filipino recipes. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. So this one, we will start to introduce our ingredients. So we have the hairy melon, and this one is vermicelli, garlic, and the dried shrimp. And this is the chicken broth. If you don't have chicken broth, you can use water. And now we will start to cook this one. The vermicelli, you can soak into the water until it becomes soft. And also this one is, we will soak also in the water. And this one. And now we will cut our hairy melon. The hairy melon, we will cut like this. No need to like this only. So we cut slice like this. And make it strip. And our garlic. Vermicelli will cut into half. So we have ingredients here. This is a sliced hairy melon, and there's one our vermicelli, and this is garlic. And this one is soaked dried shrimp na. And this is the chicken broth. So let's start to cook. Put oil. Add garlic. And our dried shrimp, we leave this water for the hairy melon, so we take out the dried shrimp only. Hairy melon. And this one is dried shrimp water that we will soak before. Then we put the chicken broth. Pinch of salt. Then cover until the hairy melon will cook. So now is okay. Our hair melon is cooked already. Then put the vermicelli. Then add 1 spoon of dark soy sauce. Mix until the hairy melon will have a sauce. Okay, it's ready.